Welcome back to Autoscope, the outside of a 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome. This motorhome's sleek and contemporary external design is evocative of an Aston Martin sports car. Aggressive air intakes, streamlined LED headlights, and a sizable Aston Martin grille are all visible up front. The carbon fiber composite used to make the motorhome's body is both lightweight and robust. Its aerodynamic design lowers wind noise while driving and increases fuel efficiency. Sporty 22-inch alloy wheels with low-profile tires made for maximum performance are included with the RV. A cozy outdoor space is produced by a retractable awning. Solar panels are also installed on the motorhome's roof to supply extra electricity. Inside, the Aston Martin Motorhome's interior combines luxury and practicality. The driver's and passenger seats in the cockpit are covered in premium leather. A sizable touchscreen in the dashboard shows the navigation, entertainment system, and car data. The RV has a large living room, with storage drawers, a fold-out dining table, and an L-shaped sofa. The kitchen of the motorhome has a refrigerator, microwaves, sink, and electric burner. Every one of them has a contemporary, minimalist design. There is a cozy king-size double bed in the motorhome's bedroom. A cutting-edge audio and video entertainment system, complete with a flat-screen TV, a high-end sound system, and Wi-Fi connectivity, is also included in the RV. The twin-turbo V12 engine that powers Aston Martin sports cars also powers an Aston Martin RV. The RV can attain high speeds and accelerate rapidly thanks to this engine's significant power and plentiful torque. Gear shifting is fast and seamless thanks to an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, and adjustable air suspension is used in the motorhome suspension system. For safe and dependable stopping, the motorhome has a strong Brembo brake system, numerous cutting-edge technological innovations, including a 360-degree camera system, automated parking, and driver support systems, are included in this Aston Martin motorhome.